Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the literary term epic. Introduction. The term epic is often used to describe a long verse narrative centered around a heroic or quasi-divine figure whose actions play a crucial role in determining the fate of a tribe, nation, or even the entire human race. This literary genre has its origins in both traditional and literary forms. Traditional epics, also known as folk epics, were originally oral poems that narrated the heroic deeds of tribal or national heroes during warlike ages. Some of the most famous traditional epics include Homer's Iliad and Odyssey, the Anglo-Saxon Beowulf, the French Chanson de Roland, and Spanish Poema del Cid. On the other hand, literary epics were consciously crafted by individual poets, imitating the traditional form. Virgil's Aeneid is an example of literary epic that served as a model for John Milton's Paradise Lost. Milton's work in turn inspired other literary epics such as John Keats's fragmentary epic Hyperion and William Blake's prophetic books. Significance and influence. In examining literary epics, Northrop Frye notes that they demonstrate the tragic fall of an enemy akin to the fall of a friend or leader, imbuing the epic with an objective and disinterested element. Aristotle considered the epic as second only to tragedy, and during the Renaissance, it was regarded as the highest of all literary genres. The literary epic is an ambitious undertaking demanding vast knowledge, creativity, and skill from the poet to sustain a grandeur, scope, and authority. Epic conventions. Epic conventions further delineate this genre. The hero in an epic is of great national or cosmic significance, such as Achilles or Aeneas, or even encompasses divine attributes, as seen in Adam and Eve or Christ in Paradise Lost. The setting is expansive, covering extensive geographical territories, and the action includes superhuman feats in battle or arduous journeys, often involving the intervention of gods and supernatural beings. Epics are ceremonial performances narrated in a formal style that sets them apart from ordinary speech, often characterized by elaborate diction and syntactical structures. Epic beyond form. Beyond the traditional and literary distinctions, the term epic can be applied more broadly to narratives that embody the epic spirit and significance, though they may differ in form. Dante's Divine Comedy, Spenser's The Faerie Queene, and even prose works like Melville's Moby Dick and James Joyce's Ulysses are examples of epics that exemplify grand scale and profound human themes. Additionally, Marxist critic George Lukács extended the concept of bourgeois epic to encompass novels reflecting the social reality of their capitalist age. Conclusion. In conclusion, the epic is a monumental literary genre that spans both traditional and literary expressions, embodying heroic figures, grand themes, and the vast expanse of human experience. Whether in ancient oral poems or crafted literary works, the epic remains an enduring and influential form of storytelling. So this was the discussion on the term epic. We will meet in the next video with some other term. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. Until the next video, Goodbye and thank you.